Good morning. I'm here in Melbourne, and Melbourne just got bigger with a massive 400,000 balloon installation.
So where are we off to? We're off to the Melbourne Convention Centre to wander through the rooms filled with balloon sculptures, which are interactive and larger than life creations itself. So come join us.
Come join us and let's explore these wonderful creations.
Okay, let's go.
So we've decided to quickly stop by at a coffee place where
The Code Black Coffee Cart on South Bank.
So here we go, coffee to start the day off before we enter the exhibition.
All those 400,000 balloons, environmentally friendly, by the way.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Up and away. Wasn't that fun, Miss Caroline?
It was pretty spectacular.
Those installations with balloons were absolutely amazing.
Oh yeah, the creative minds of how they put everything together. So we won't give away too much.
Because you have to come and visit.
Yeah, you need to come check it out yourself.
That's right.
Yeah.
So you may have to expect any time from about 60 to 90 minutes inside, depending on how long you want to spend in each room. It's definitely well worth it. We know that it'll be running until the end of January, till the 31st of January, and it's open from 9 a.m. to 8 p.m. We got here early
9 a.m.
to miss the crowd, and we did pretty well, actually.
Oh, definitely. So you had a lot of space to take photos, do some filmography.
And also, just keep it in mind that prices, you'll have to jump on their website to see what prices are, but we know that seniors, it's about $30 each. So,
Bargain for our seniors.
So do come along and don't miss this opportunity to bring the kids. They will love it. Oh, as well as adults
And
too.
bring your adult friends.
Of course.
Yeah.
And I hope you enjoyed the video, and we shall see you on another adventure.
Yeah.
Oh, by the way, thank you, Miss Caroline, for joining me on this one.
As if I wouldn't.
Cheers, people.
It was great. Bye.
Bye.
See you next time.
Bye.